In this video, we will show you how to save current project to a folder in Canva. When you're creating a project, okay, for example, you're creating a presentation, maybe you confuse how to save your project into your folder that you created. For example, we have this project, okay, we can apply to all page, and after you editing all of your project here, you are confused how you can save this into the folder. Okay, so you can easy to find later in the next day or in the future. To save your current project on Canva, it's very easy. You need just select files here, and you can select move. After that, you can see here, you can creating a folder if you didn't have one, or you can just select the folder that you already have. Just click move after that. Okay, then your project is saved into the folder that you already created. Now you can open your project here. Okay, so you can select the folder. Okay, this is the folder that we already created. If you didn't have one the folder, you can see this is our project, okay, just now. So you can easy to edit them. You can also rename this, okay, to make sure it is easier to find in the futures. If you didn't have a folder, you can create one. Okay, into your project here, you can click plus add button, and you can create new folder. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to save your current project into the folder on Canva. If you think this video helpful for you, you can subscribe this channel, and hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.